Hello guys, it's your boy Bloxbaki. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made 5 million Robux in 3 days with my viral game. This my game, it's an adventure game with our 63 avatar. You upload many avatar in my game made by the community. For the next step, I'm gonna show you how to get my Robux and how do you do to have free Robux too. This my Robux number I made in 2 days with the game. For now, I made 5 million Robux, you can see. You can see here some of my Robux transaction from Roblox. For finish, we're gonna show how to import your avatar into Roblox. You can import your avatar on your game with the Explorer. You can import your avatar on your game with the Explorer.